Hello everyone. Today I will show you basic structure of HTML. I will use Visual Studio Code, which you can find online and it's free to download. So, let's start. Open Visual Studio Code. Then go File and choose New Text File. Then click on Select the language. Type HTML. That's it, we created a new file with extension HTML. HTML is the standard markup language for web pages. With HTML you can create your own website. HTML consists of a series of elements which tells the browser how to display the content. First line is doctype HTML, which defines that this document is an HTML5 document. Second line is the root element of an HTML page. We will open and close HTML tag. For close tag we use backslash and name of the tag. Next element is head element, which contains meta information about the HTML page. We will insert title element here, which specifies a title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser's title bar or in the Pages tab. The body element defines the document's body and is a container for all the visible contents, such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. So, we will create a web page with simple text on it. For example, we will write "Hello World." This is what we will see on the page. Also, if we want to add a title on page, like my page, we will write that text in title element. We will save the page as my first web page. Click on Save. Let's look what we got. Click on 3 dots. Now click on Run. This option is maybe directly visible on Visual Studio Code. Now click Run without debugging. Choose the browser you want. I will choose Chrome. As you can see, "Hello World" is written on the page. That's it for now. See you very soon. If you liked the video, please subscribe. Thank you.